Surprise your whole family with this stuffed chicken. Easy to prepare and super delicious. Let's start by cutting 700 grams of chicken breast into strips. Put them on a board and beat them with a meat mallet to make them more tender. Season with salt, black pepper, and mild paprika. Rub the seasoning with your fingertips, then pile them one on the other. This recipe is perfect for lunch or dinner. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Now in a pan, add a drizzle of oil and sweat 1 chopped onion and 1 chopped carrot. Try this recipe at home, then write here what you think. Don't forget to tag us on your recipes. We love to see them. Put the onion and carrot in a bowl. Add also 50 grams of grated mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of garlic, and mix well. Put this mixture aside. Using a tablespoon, add a bit of the first mixture you prepared on top of each strip. Spread it. And if you're watching the video, you're loving the recipe, then like the video and comment below, "I love chicken." Take each strip and wrap it using your fingertips. In a baking pan, drizzle some oil and spread it. Add the stuffed wraps. Finally, pour the other mixture on top and spread it. Put it in the oven, preheated at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. And our recipe is done, ready to be enjoyed. I really hope you liked our recipe, and thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.